Hey everyone, ready to tweak your League of Legends display? Today, I'll guide you through an easy process to switch between display modes. Let's jump right in. To play in windowed mode, start a game, and for practice, the practice tool is a great choice. Once you're in Summoner's Rift, press Escape for settings. Go to the Video tab. Under Window Mode, click the Select Windowed option. Click OK to apply the changes. Now, enjoy League of Legends in windowed mode. To switch back to full screen, if you want to go back to full screen, hit the settings. Choose full screen from the window mode. Click OK to confirm. There you go. That's how you effortlessly switch between full screen and windowed modes in League of Legends. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, questions, comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for tuning in, and happy gaming.